How to add co-host on Vrbo. So here is my Vrbo listing and the dashboard. And as you can see, there is no option to add a co-host. You can't really add someone directly. You'll need to share access or rely on external tools like a PMS. Vrbo doesn't have a formal co-host feature like Airbnb. Here's the best way to involve someone as a co-host. You'll need to share account access. After logging in, go to your account dashboard and contact Vrbo support. You can request they add your co-host as an emergency contact so they can receive verification codes and assist with guest messages. Then provide your co-host with your login credentials, email, and password so they can log in and help manage listings and guest communication. Alternatively, you can use a third-party property management system PMS like iGMS, Hospitable, Guesty, or Zenyo. These tools allow you to invite co-hosts with their own user profiles and set specific permissions. That way, each person can handle tasks like guest messaging, calendar updates, pricing, and maintenance without needing to share your Vrbo password.